Welcome to MarineMax Maryland. Today we're going to walk through a 2024 Sportsman Heritage 261 center console. It's a recent trade. This is a MarineMax owned boat, so feel free to bring, if you have a trade, we can work a deal on it. This boat's powered by black Mercury 225 V6s. Have about 170 hours on them. Boat was here in the Chesapeake Bay its entire life. About a season and a half. It's in great condition. It's got that baby blue hull color, full hull color, and it comes with a trailer. So just stepping on, going through. Dual walkthroughs back here, so both ways, wherever you get out of the boat, wherever you're docking, you got easy on and off egress. Full transom seating. So this seat and this backrest will pop out if you want to come in and out of the boat via this route. Cup holders, rod holders, dual swim ladders, storage below, and a bait well over in this corner here. Comes with your Sportsman Yeti cooler. These twin helm chairs will completely turn around, which is awesome. You can sit here, put your feet down here, and kind of just look aft, whether you're fishing or just hanging out with friends. Love that. Armrests, tackle drawers. You have a tilt steering wheel. This boat does come with Optimus, so you got that buttery smooth turning radius on the boat. Key fob, fusion radio. You have a ton of speakers up here in the helm area. The T-top, 2 forward, 2 aft, 2 in the transom, and then you have 2 more in the bow. Twin Garmin screens. Owner just put those in last year. Very nice layout. You got access here where you can pop this window open, get a little more airflow, and then a Garmin VHF radio. A tow rail for fishing, and then lots of rod holders up and down this boat. We're here to the center console area. Pump out head. You got a dive ladder. Nice area for storage. Battery charger. All of these cushions and these backrests can pop out and store. You've got storage under this area here. You pop that up. And it's drainable. It's got a nice gasket seal there as well. You have 2 more in the hardtop. Some more speakers. And then lots of room here. So I'm 6'4", so feet-wise, tons of room. 3 large adults fit up here in the bow. And then anchor locker with windlass and foot pedals. If you're interested in this boat, give us a call. MarineMax Maryland, 410-732-1260.